what's up guys? Today I will show you how to create time-lapse on solar images. First of all, we have set the power telescope and equipment. We also need a laptop, the telescope, the mount and camera. Install our mount and find our sun for the survival finder. Now second, the mount camera on telescope and connect it with the laptop. Then we are creating a flat file for the image calibration, start capturing images. Here you can see our switch fields previous on the processed image monochrome. Now we will start using our daystar filter and switch the telescope. Firstly connect the daystar filter to the refractor and then power it on. After that we change the telescope and create another flat file for the image calibration. Once this is done, we stop the auto run to capture our time-lapse and animation. Back our workstation. Then stack between the files. Allow to stack out. That stack can reprocess images by adjusting and sharpness, brightness and contrast within your preset and save the result. Next we stop the auto and processing. When we everything is finished, we are change the created images for the time-lapse and video rendering in Photoshop. Right now we color grade the entry sequence. And yeah, this is our video solar image and edit after $1.